This is ReLens, a 3D printed camera lens for modern mirrorless cameras that can take pictures like these. What sets this apart from other 3D printed camera lenses is that this is printed in one whole body and the lens is embedded inside. This starts with a disposable film camera. We tear this apart and extract the lens itself. Here we can see the lens assembly. After which we can pry out the lens element itself. Next, we have to start by printing the aperture disc. This aperture disc can be modified to fit various aperture sizes and shapes. Here we'll be printing it in PETG on the Reality K1C. Next, we have to print the lens body itself. We also have to ensure that when we print, we have access to the cavity where the lens and aperture disc sit. We can do this by placing the lens face down and manually declaring our supports at the teeth of the bayonet mount. As using normal supports would fill in the cavity with support material. Next, we have to stop or place a pause G-code right before the cavity is covered. Then we upload this to our printer. We can then start the print and wait for it until it reaches our paused G-code. It's crucial that we catch it within a few minutes of it pausing so the print doesn't cool down too much. Now that it has reached the G-code pause command, we can now gently insert our camera lens element, followed by the aperture disc, ensuring that both of these are placed firmly into the cavity. The aperture disc and lens body has grooves for alignment, after which we can resume the print. We can then watch over our print as it prints over the lens and aperture disc. Afterwards, we are left with a almost finished ReLens. The only post-processing needed is to remove the support material for the bayonet mount. Afterwards, this lens is ready to go to be mounted onto a mirrorless camera. In this case, we'll be using a Fujifilm X-E2. So we align the notch and twist it onto the camera body. Happy shooting!